me. I said don't touch me.
You said help you.
No, I said don't touch me. This shirt was so fucking expensive. I'm going to sleep here.
Get up.
Okay, finish this and help me. Okay, help me. Help me, okay?
You.
Help me. Help me.
Here. Your other hand. That hand.
Dude,
Give me your fucking hand. Give me your hand. Get the fuck up. There you go. Okay?
okay.
Good.